FeatureByte is a data science agent that makes advanced predictive AI just as easy and accessible as generative AI. In this demo, we'll see how you can go from data to predictions in hours instead of weeks or months. Start by registering your data in FeatureByte and describe your use case to predict the probability of default on mortgage payments. Then we kick off a workflow. FeatureByte takes care of the entire predictive AI lifecycle, from exploring and understanding the data to feature ideation and EDA to model building and deployment. Yes, the entire data science lifecycle, completely automated and transparent. As a first step, FeatureByte selects a subset of the tables from all available. It logs every action it takes. Here, it explains why it thought those tables were relevant to the use case. FeatureByte uses metadata and any available documentation to determine the meaning of each of the columns. Unlike brute force tools, these semantics are used by FeatureByte to create features that are meaningful and explainable. Once FeatureByte understands the data, it starts the feature ideation process, including simple transformations like ratios and differences, which could be highly relevant to the use case, and more complex data filters and selection of aggregation windows. It then ideates all the features it believes are relevant to the use case, not in a brute force manner, but rather based on the semantic meaning of columns in the dataset. In this case, FeatureByte generated more than 18,000 features for this use case. This process alone could take weeks of time from an experienced team. While the number of features is impressive, it can be overwhelming for data scientists to deal with. FeatureByte automatically selects the most predictive features for the use case and builds a model based on this list of 200 features. This feature list is used by FeatureByte to train a model via a Databricks notebook. The experiments are logged in MLflow, while model performance results are available for users to review. Once the final model is created, it goes through an approval process before deploying to production. At the end, you can see the summary of the entire set of steps FeatureByte took to build and deploy the model. The detailed report can be saved for compliance purposes or to communicate with business stakeholders and domain experts. A process that typically takes weeks and months was completed by FeatureByte in a matter of hours. Teams across industries now have the ease and access to deploy predictive AI models just as easily as Gen AI.